Hello, it's Aaron Richardson here. Today I'm going to be onboarding everybody onto the Xsel learning training platform. This platform is going to be the future of our training within our brokerage, all of our events and recorded sessions, as well as different compliance courses, as well as role play and future development in terms of the continuing education that we provide here at Century 21 Heritage Group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what your email is going to look like today. You are going to be onboarding through verification and setting up your password email. So what you're going to do is you're going to get that email and you're going to verify now. And that will take you to a spot where you're going to set your password. Okay, and then confirm the password. This password can be anything you want it to be. Hit set password. So what you'll do is you'll put your password into, or your email address into the system. And the password you just set up. Hit remember me if you want it to remember. And hit enter. What this will do is allow you to have access to the system after you've read the terms of the agreement here. Hit agree. And then you'll be taken to the dashboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around. The very first thing that you'll need to do is just to set and complete your profile. So what you can do in the complete profile section is hit complete profile. And the only thing it's looking for really is the picture over on the left-hand side. So you can upload a quick picture. I've just got a random picture of somebody, even though it says John. That's okay. I'll just show you how to put a picture in the system. You'll hit save. And then that notification will go away that pops up when you first log in now that everything's set. Anytime you want to get back to the main screen, you can just hit the logo up at the top left-hand side to bring it back to the dashboard. And as you can see, that disappeared. The other thing I want everyone to do is go through the code of ethics. The code of ethics we've put together as the top 30 things that is probably going to get you into trouble with RICO if you don't pay attention. So we want to make sure that those top 30 things are being adhered to in terms of our code of ethics for our company. So you can hit start now. Industry agent respect. And it's going to actually start to talk to you. It's going to read out what the first of the 30 questions are, and you're going to hit I agree if you obviously agree. If you have any questions about any of these things that are brought up, of course, call us, but you should pay attention, read over what it does say here, and hit I agree. If the spoken words are starting to annoy you because you can hear them in the background,
discrimination,
right?
Harassment and discrimination will not be tolerated.
You can turn that off by just clicking the off button and hitting I agree. So you can turn that off. Either that or turn down your volume, but you'll need to read them, okay, in order to agree. Make sure you do read through all 30. Okay, I'm not going to go through all 30 with you right now. And then your code of ethics will be logged into the system. Okay, one of the amazing things about this program is that we want to build out better trained agents within the real estate world. We are the first company to onboard this system, and hopefully more will continue. But I'm really excited about this. We did help in the design of this program. So this is a beta testing situation. In fact, your office is one of the first offices in order to have this implemented. So if you have any questions or concerns or any suggestions, please let us know. Anytime you do want to go back to the beginning again, the left-hand side, and that goes back to your dashboard. The code of ethics are in progress. Where you left off is where, if I hit in progress, it would take me to. But get that all done and out of the way, and that way this will disappear. Obviously, if I hit remind me later, it'll go away and I will have the full dashboard. The other screen that might come up here is an onboarding screen. If you're a new agent to the company, there will be an onboarding assigned to you. That would be our quick start program. We also have an award-winning agent onboarding program as well, and that will be assigned to those who come onto our company that are in the award-winning 100,000 plus category, and then they can take that as well. As you can see with the dashboard, it gives you some information about different things that are coming up. There's our C21 conference in Calgary. And then, of course, our website. You just click there to get there. Then down below, you will see that you will be getting learning points throughout your use of the system. Every time you watch a video or complete a course, you are going to get learning points. Those points will be ranked within the company, and you'll see your ranking at any given time. The calendar on the right-hand side will show you upcoming events within the company in terms of seminars, etc. If you hit the little arrow beside my calendar, that will come up with a full week view, and then you can change it over to a month view if you want to see it by the month. You can see all the different training that we have this month. Feel free to go ahead and register for any of the training. For example, the tax rebates with Mark Purdy. If you click on register, that will show you a confirmation that you are registered for that session. When that session goes live, it will send you a notification to log into the system, and then it will be at the top with the live. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll click back to the beginning, and you will see the live link up here. It'll be blinking. Okay, so that will allow you into any of the sessions. We will still be sending notifications with the Zoom link as well until everybody's onboarded and used to the system. Now, as you go down, you will have your area where you'll have courses that have either been assigned to you, or let's say you have an onboarding path or a learning path that's been assigned. They will be available there. And then we have a nice little place where we can post as well, some similar to like just a posting to the wall, like a Facebook type experience. At the very top, we have courses, videos, role play, certifications, the events, and then a whole list of other things with toolboxes to save stuff. You know, your onboarding learning pass that you can choose from, what I'm going to do is go right back here. The videos, I'm just going to explain sort of what videos are with the system, what courses are. The difference between a video and a course, video is exactly what it says. It could be a smaller subject matter, and I'm going to give you an example of videos. We've broken it down to different categories. So residential videos here, for example. And if you want to search, you can search, but you can see we have sales training, CRM prospect, and we'll be adding videos as we go forward. But if you want to see some, like a quick video, I say a quick video or a video on Facebook advertising, it happens to be 1 hour, that one. There's smaller clips as well. For example, how to share with your team on web forums. That's a 10-minute video. And we'll just be adding more and more videos. We also have videos from Chris leaders, like do open houses work, cutting commission, how to overcome that. So just, you know, shorter, under an hour videos that you can quickly have access to information. And then there are courses. The courses within the system, again, are categorized, right? So we'll go into the residential section again. And full courses on cold calling, overcoming objections, buyer presentations. These are more broken into modules, so you're learning a whole subject matter. Okay, there are system-oriented courses, which is built out by Xsel, the actual training platform. We did aid in building these courses, and then we have our own courses. As you go further down, you'll see, you know, the CMA course, for example, is one that we built out. We're going to continue adding these courses to the system as well. As you can see, the Ultimate Guide to Geographical Farming, our buyer presentation, the whole road to Grand Centurion, and then et cetera, et cetera. So courses in the system are more of a full subject matter that has different modules in it. Role play within the system. That's something that's pretty cool that you can start to participate in. When you click on role play, you can have a look down here and click on selecting a role play to participate. There's 4 role plays within the system. So you hit explore more. There's your 4 role plays: overcoming objections, door knocking scripts, calling potential leads, and new to the business. This is something that's in progress as well, adding more and tweaking a little bit. But if you, for example, are new to the business and click on that, what it will do is it'll give you a scenario. So it'll go through a video scenario of what you're going to be faced with. And then the instructions are to record the video down here. If you like what the script that you use or the way that you recorded that video, you can save it and send it to your coach. You will get ratings on this, and I'll probably have future videos cut up to show you a little more how to use the role play. So I'll go into a bit more detail on that, but today I just wanted to do an overview. So there is role playing within the system. The next one is certifications. There's currently 4 certifications with no dates. So we don't have any dates yet, but that's coming. So we have pricing strategy advisor, real estate negotiation expert, the seniors real estate specialist, and then the ABR, which is accredited buyers representatives. So we'll be putting more as it goes forward. But for example, if you wanted to see if there's any sessions coming up, you would click on there. And then as you can see, there's no sessions currently available, but you can be notified should a session come up. Okay, so we will notify you whenever the session's added to the events. Okay, and then of course, events are all the different things that we have for training and events throughout the company. So lunch and learn with Centum, pre-construction, tax rebates, Sky Slope, introduction to Xsel, et cetera, throughout the system. You can find out the dates by hitting learn more to find out when those have been scheduled. And those are, for example, the pre-construction scheduled here from the 16th from 3 to 4, and you can register for those sessions. There are more tools within the system. Your toolbox is where you're going to put some homework or upload any of your assignments or anything you want to keep on from a training perspective. You can create folders and file uploads and then share it with your managers. Your network right now at this point in time, the network isn't much for the standard user, but if you're a mentor or a coach, your network will be in here with all their assignments and assigned videos and stuff. It's more on a management coaching level. Okay, and then we've gone through the courses, videos, events, everything down here, but we haven't touched on onboarding and learning paths yet. We have 2 onboarding paths. This current path has not been set by the manager, so there is no to be assigned, but we have 2 that we can assign to you. One is for a new agent, which is our quick start. One's for an existing agent that's an award-winning level, which is another learning path. And then if you click on learning paths, you can see the different learning paths if you hit explore more that we do have, right? So currently we have one which is commercial. Next one is team building. And then we have heritage admin training. Okay, so we have heritage admin training. So we're going to have more. Learning paths are a combination of courses and or videos. For example, our full commercial learning path would be each one of these courses. So commercial net operating income, then cap rates, asset share purchase, how to represent a lease, I believe, part 1 and part 2. So that's a full commercial series of learning paths. Same with teams, right? So I go through team building 1 that has 10 modules, then team building 2 that has 6 modules. So it's a series of courses and videos that we would put through. So they're a little bit more than just the course and video. Always click on the logo to get back to the beginning. That's it for the overview of the system for now. Again, this is an area that we can assign things to you. Should we be talking to you about a subject matter and say, hey, listen, you really should see that video, we can assign that video and then you'll watch that through. You'll get your learning points. And it's a more interactive way to organize our training system. So hope you like it. And please feel free to give us some feedback. And we will continue to make this an amazing platform.